BFM module C and D. Up till now we have covered ABM, all the four modules A, B, C and D. And also we have covered module A and B of BFM. Now we are in C and D module. Now this module is related to treasury, risk and balance sheet management. Okay. So let's start with the module. Before that I would suggest download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts. You need everything, whatever you need for CAIIB, including live video lectures. See this. Classes online are available in the video section. Also you get the recorded videos. Okay. Also subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting all the updates regarding CAIIB. Okay. Now there's a now or never offer which is going on. Everyone go through this offer immediately. Means you are getting the material of CAIIB at the lowest price. All the video lectures, batches, everything. Okay. To get your CAIIB video courses and CAIIB prime test pack at the lowest price ever, use the code Y432. I'll show you at the end. Okay. Okay. Yesterday I had asked you one question for homework, and that was, which of the following may affect the yield on the assets? I also gave you the formula. Yield equals to coupon amount upon price. So what can affect the yield on the assets? Okay, let me check how many of you have answered. See, it was commodity prices, interest rates, exchange rates, all of them. Means commodity prices means what? Yield on the, what is the asset? This asset can be a commodity also. Interest rates. Interest rates means basically asking rate, whatever the rates people are demanding. And exchange rates means exchange rate related to forex. So which of them can affect the yield on these assets? So all of these is the answer. Okay. Next one. The operating and the liquidity risk may be on account of, so basically this operating risk or liquidity risk will be on the account of what? Failure to execute or settle a transaction. So operating expense, this risk means what? It is basically related to operations, means daily working of the bank. Okay, it can be a settlement risk also. So failure to execute or settle a transaction, so this comes out as a settlement risk. Adverse changes in the cash flow of transactions, so means what? Whatever cash flow I was expecting, I don't get it, get the same. So A and B both or none of these. So the option is what? It's simple one. Let me see. This is C. Okay. Let me see what is the answer. A, B, C or D. Type fast. A, B, C or D. What is the answer? Yeah. So simple, isn't it? Yes. Answer is C. Because both of them will definitely affect the liquidity risk also and the operating risk also. The objectives of risk management are. So basically there's a question on risk management in this slide itself. Okay, I'll ask you later. So what are the objectives of risk management? Why do we have risk management in the bank? Survival of the organization, earning stability, efficiency in operations, and all of these. What do you think should be the answer? A, B, C or D? Survival. See here, if the risk is not managed, then what will happen? Okay, let me ask you one or two questions over here. If the risk is not managed means what? What do you mean by this? If you have lot of NPAs, so that is a risk. Suppose NPAs related to what? NPAs are not only related to loans, they are also related to bonds. Means if you purchase a bond of some company and that company fails, then it won't be able to give you the principal also, right? Face value. So that is also an NPA. So NPA is not only related to loans, it is also related to bonds. Now if you don't manage the NPAs properly, then your organization's NPA, this overall CRAR will be in the risk, right? So that's why you won't survive. Earning stability means we should have a stable earning, right? Of any bank, any organization should have at least a fixed portion of the earning which comes on a monthly basis. Efficiency in operations, right? If you are having proper risk management tools, then definitely the organization is more efficient. So the answer is correct, D, all of these. Which of the following is not the objective of risk management? Okay, Not, see here, now we want which is not the objective. Uninterrupted operations, higher deposit growth, continued growth, creating good image. So what should be the correct answer? A, B, C or D? Yeah. Objective of risk management, not the objective. Okay. Uninterrupted operations means what? If your risk management tools are not proper, if your risk is not managed properly, then definitely your operations will be hampered. You will face many litigations. You will face many this newspaper ads, means this reputational problem you will be having, right? Higher deposit growth. So if your risk is not properly managed, depositors won't come to you. Continued growth. Growth should be on a continuous YOY basis, right? So creating good image. This is the part of what? This is the part of the PR team. Okay. So this is not the part of the risk management, objective of the risk management. Okay. So D is the answer over here. Got it? Of course, here many of you are typing over here that D should be the answer, or we should also be one of the answer. Of course, here it means what? Good image will be created if your risk management is proper. It will automatically be created. You need not create the good image. Sending it to the customers, that is a part of the PR. But working properly, that is a part of the operations, isn't it? And this risk management is concerned with the operations part. Okay. Once your risk management is proper, automatically customers will come to you and you will be a good image will be created, isn't it? What is risk management? This is the question, right? We saw all the objectives, not the objectives, but what is risk management? It is a process of identifying and controlling the risk. Is it? Identifying and controlling, right? In any process or any risk, any problem, we need to identify that problem first, isn't it? The process includes measurement of risk. That is the second next part. 1, 2, 3. Monitor and control of risk is also an important aspect of risk management. So monitoring and controlling, this is also an important part. And all of these. So what should be the answer? A, B, C or D? So simple. Type fast in the comment section. Yeah, correct. Answer is D, isn't it? Now one question for your homework. The major components of risk management are, now we want which are the components. Risk identification, measurement, control and all of these. Just now I told you in this question, right? Earlier question. So follow that question and answer it properly. Okay. I'll be answering this tomorrow. Before leaving here, we are having this session, this CAIIB material is now available at the lowest cost possible. Okay, so everyone should go for this. I would always suggest. Okay, the validity for this, get special validity for 2 months. Use the code Y432. How to get the codes and how to get the validity, I'll show you that. Okay, one sec. Let's go to Adda 24/7 live. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Yep. Yeah. See this. We are live on Adda 24/7 now. Now click on JAIIB and CAIIB. See this. Clicked. Now you will see JAIIB, CAIIB Mahapack and November December English batch. You can click on this Mahapack. Once you click on this Mahapack, you will see all the Mahapacks. See this. JAIIB, CAIIB Mahapack, JAIIB Mahapack, CAIIB Mahapack. Click on this Mahapack. Okay. You can go for this. This is the best one. So for CAIIB Mahapack, when you go, you can read the batches. See this. Live classes for more than 500 plus hours, 4 plus batches for ABM, 3 plus batches for BFM and 3 plus batches for retail. So remember, detailed case studies are covered. We cover all the numericals, objective questions, your case studies, your theory questions, everything is covered. Okay, you can definitely call on this number also. Okay, and remember 500 plus hour case study batches, highly experienced faculties, and in Mahapack, whenever the new batches come within that validity, you will get the same validity, same batches again. Okay, within that fees itself. Okay, so click on view offers. Now see how the fees reduces. Put the code Y432, click on apply. See this, now the fees of 32,999 reduces to 7,589, means it has reduced by 77% off. Okay, such a huge discount, go for it immediately. Okay, and remember, December 2022 is your last exam with the current portion. May 23 new exam totally. Okay, new portion, everything new. So I'll show you what is new in that May 23 exam. Okay, let's go to May 23 exam. See this, this is the portion for May 23. Paper 1, paper 2 you are having now also ABM BFM. Then you will be having paper 3 ABFM and legal BRBL. What do we have in ABFM? See this, the management process, advanced concepts of financial management, valuation, mergers and acquisitions, emerging business solutions. Mean these are all related to management. Okay, and cost accounting. See this, advanced concepts. So here the cost accounting concepts will come. In legal, what do you have? Regulations and compliance, important acts and laws, part 1 and 2. Okay, then commercial and other laws with reference to banking. So these are the two new papers which you will be faced with. There is also negative marking in May 23. Okay, in December 2022 nothing is there. So clear the exam by December 2022 itself. Also electives, look at the electives, rural, HR, IT, central and central banking and risk. There is no retail elective, so that's why the portion is a bit tough. That's why I'm suggesting you go for December 2022 exam only. Clear it immediately. Okay, don't wait for May 23. Join the class ASAP. Bye.